According to a report released Monday by the American Chamber of Commerce in South China, China is still considered one of the most attractive destinations for investment, with more companies planning to reinvest in China this year.
The reality is that our companies are doing very well in China. Our study today will show that 90% of our companies remain profitable. Our companies are actually in a very large number, very optimistic towards the future development of China, and therefore we're very excited about the future. China's consumer market is growing very rapidly, and therefore we want to continue to be a part of producing goods and services in China for the Chinese market. There's great opportunities available to American companies and foreign companies as a whole.
The Chamber's annual white paper on China's business environment is seen as a window for observing China's business environment through the eyes of foreign-founded enterprises. The white paper was based on a survey of more than 200 companies from September to December 2022. Among the surveyed businesses, 40% are wholly foreign-owned companies, and nearly 20% are representative offices of foreign companies and joint ventures. The report showed that more than 90% of the participating companies select China as one of the most important investment destinations. More than half of the companies gained over 30% of their global revenue from China, and 45% registered a significant or slight increase in their revenue from China last year. According to the report, China has been among the world's fastest-growing economies, with one of the most dynamic markets. Although its economy is shadowed somewhat by uncertainty caused by the pandemic, most companies still consider China a critical part of their future strategic development plans, and 75% of the participating companies plan to reinvest in China in 2023, an increase of around 3%. With more than 2,300 members, AmCham South China provides support for American and international companies doing business in South China.